guys, so today I got a package from PC World and Currys, and I hope that it is a Samsung Galaxy Note 8.0 tablet case. So I'm hoping that it is, because I've ordered quite a few things, so I'm hoping that it is that. Also I've ordered the tablet, of course, as well itself, which should be coming soon as well. So I'll be unboxing that in the upcoming video. So got my knife, so let's just unbox this box. Okay, let's get it open. Right, so I'm now gone from the box. So the actual product is here. So I'm just gonna get that out. So I'm just going to information of my purchase, and here's the actual thing itself. So let me just put this aside. So over here it says starter kit for Galaxy Note 8.0 tablet. So inside comes a stylus pen, a screen protector, and of course the case itself. Let's get this out. Alright, so let's back a bit. So here we have it. This is it. So let's just open that up and get the case out, and the stylus and the screen protector. Okay. This cost approximately £15, so it's a really good deal. It was half price from £30. Yeah. Okay, that's all that was in that box. Let's put all of this aside. Okay, put my knife aside. Okay, so we got the screen protector and the cloth, which is usual screen protector and the cloth right there. And then we've got the case here itself. So there's also, if you open it up, you've got the stylus inside just sitting there. So let's get that out. So just was inside that. So here it is, the stylus, of course, like normal stylus, not very much different to any other. So I'll be using that for my Note 8.0. And then we've got here the case. Sorry guys, the viewing angle is pretty bad, so let's just try and move it up a bit. Okay, so here it is, the case itself. So you've got a strap here, and you've got a lot of viewing angles that you can put it in. So for example, you can move it back and put it like that, or you've just got basically different ways of putting it on. Yeah, so it's got different viewing modes, and here's the bit for the camera, the little hole there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. It's a pretty nice case, made of leather, usual case, not very much different. But yeah, so anyways guys, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next vid, where I should be unboxing my Samsung Galaxy Tab itself. Should be in the next few videos. So anyways guys, I'll see you in the next vid. Peace.